Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're hearing any noise in the background, please ignore that. I don't know what to do about it right now. So it is wash day. I know I've not done a wash day routine. It is wash day and I know I've not done a wash day routine for months now. So today I decided to do my wash day because I just took down my protective style, and as you can see I am already dripping. Is because I just did my pre-poo treatment and I used my onion hair growth oil to do this pre-poo just because I want to wash my hair out. So, and I was going to wash the onion oil out anyway, so I decided to use this oil as my pre-poo treatment today. And I'll be washing my hair in the next 20 minutes, and I'm not going to show you guys my shampooing routine because it's basically going to be the same thing I've been doing, but I'll be going in with my olive oil shampoo, my olive oil creamy aloe shampoo that I always use. So once I'm done washing my hair, I'll come back to show you guys the rest of the wash day routine because I'll be doing a protein treatment, also be doing a deep conditioning treatment, so stay tuned for that. So guys, I just finished washing my hair and I'm about to apply my rice water right now. If you've not seen the video on how I made this rice water, I'm going to link it in the description box, or you can just scroll around and look for my latest rice water video. This recipe is thebomb.com. okay, so I'm going to apply this thoroughly to my hair and cover my hair for 30 minutes and wash it out. That's basically what I'm going to do in this clip, and the next thing that's going to follow up after this is my deep conditioning treatment. So one thing for sure is you're going to be dripping everywhere, okay? The water is going to drip all over your body, and it doesn't smell bad. It smells like a herbal rice water treatment, but just cover your body with any towel or wear an old t-shirt that you can just manage. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to apply this to my hair and twist my hair, and that's it. Now we are down to deep conditioning treatment, and I'm going to show you guys the combination of deep conditioning treatment I am doing. I'm using two different deep conditioners and I'm going to mix them together and apply it to my hair and also cover for 30 minutes and wash it out. Now if you have a steam cap or you have a hair steamer at home, you can cover your hair with a plastic bag and sit under the steamer for 20 minutes or 10 minutes. I think that will be enough to allow the product sink into your hair before you wash it out. Okay, for people that keep asking me how they can do a deep conditioning treatment, this is just one simple way to do a deep conditioning treatment. So this video is about to end, and if you've watched this point and you're not subscribed yet, I don't know what you're waiting for. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like this video, share this video, and just enjoy yourself watching me twist my hair. I forgot to do a proper outro for this video, so I'm going to add in clips of what my hair looks like when it's dry. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.